What's going on, everybody? Biker Dave here with some more basic tips for you regarding your brakes. If you're having issues with your brake pads wearing unevenly, as you notice, these look very flat and very even all the way through, but if yours are kind of cocked sideways, if they're wearing awkwardly, here's something you need to check. The brake pin, that usually goes right through here. Remove that. First of all, inspect this brake pin. If yours has severe grooves, like you notice where those little black marks are, but if yours are very severely grooved, if you'll focus, if yours are in really rough shape and grooved horribly, you might be able to, put a bench grinder to it and smooth them out a bit. But you can also just replace this pin. Quite a few brake kits come with these pins, but you can just buy it separately also. So that's something definitely to check, is the condition of this pin. Also, the pads themselves. Make sure that these holes are fairly clean coming through there where the pin needs to go through. Your brake pads may need to be replaced at this point. Also, check the clips. See that clip right there? There's another one right down there. Make sure those clips are intact and not cracked or broken, because they do wear out. These are just spring clips, basically, that help the brake pads stay in place. Keeps them from rattling. So if your brake pads are rattling while you're riding, that's probably because those clips are either missing or damaged. Notice how they just push down. They just push down in there. And I like to actually lubricate this pin, with some, with some substantial grease. Put some pretty hefty grease on it so it can run through here and be nice and smooth. So the pin, so the brake pads can flow easier. Know what I'm saying? It'll just help them come in and out and retract properly so that they won't be all sideways. If your brake pads try to go in and then out like this, because of either notches on this pin or problems in this assembly, your brake pads will wear unevenly. So that's a common problem that a lot of people overlook. Anyway, check out our other videos. We got tons of videos about this bike, and a lot of it will pertain to most motocross bikes. So have a look through our channel and you'll probably find some things that may help you, as well as some entertainment related stuff, motocross races, supercross related stuff, car stuff, all kinds of stuff. That's it for now. Biker Dave, Google us, Horsepower House. We're all over the internet. Y'all have a great day. We'll see y'all later.